Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is all about the continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we'll see about the arithmetic operations which are available in the Python programming language. Let's get into the demo. So in Python programming language, we have two types of number. One is integers, which you can call as whole numbers, and another one is like kind of floating point, which are number with decimal point like this 10.23 and all. So in this video, we look into the arithmetic operation that support in Python. These are some arithmetic operations that we have in the max. We can add numbers, multiply and subtract it. Let's see some examples. So what I can do is like I'm just giving some addition numbers, print of 10 plus 3. So by using this, we can add the numbers plus symbol, and for the subtraction we can use minus, and similarly for multiplication we can use asterisk, and for division you can use forward slash. Forget it to have the asterisk, and for the division we can have forward slash. So let's run this one, and you can able to see the values like for addition 13 and subtraction it's 7 and multiplication 30, and for division 3.3 the decimal numbers will be coming, and for the another division there is a concept called double forward slash. So what it will do is like it will return the number in whole numbers. See here 3, and there is another operator called modulus, which returns the remainder of the division. For that we can use the percentage symbol. If I run it, this one means you can get the remainder of the division 1. And one more last operator is exponent operator, which is the power. So that is indicated with 2 asterisks. For that what we can do is like we can give 2 asterisks. So 10 to the power of 2, 100. So 100 will get printed over here. So these are the arithmetic operators we have in the Python programming language. There is another operator called augmented assignment operator, which is a very useful one. Let me explain on that. Let's say we have a variable called x equal to 10. Suppose I need to increment this value of x. So what we can do is like we will write like this, x equal to x plus 3. But there is an augment assignment operator which we can write the same piece of code in a short form or shorter format. How we can write is like x plus equal to 3. Let's see if I do the print of x means, let's see what is happening. I'm just converting this piece of code, and if I print it means you see that is getting printed. So this will be called as augmented assignment operator. You can do assignment, addition, subtraction, multiplication like this with this augmented assignment operator. So in this video we have seen about what are the arithmetic operators that are supportable in Python programming languages. If you have any doubts on implementing this, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video.